day that you and Craig don't fix car. No, the day in New York, you're on the phone with them and fix car. You're in the plane, you fix car. You come off of the plane, you fix car. When you and Craig, that's what you do?
Yeah, we fix car. What you cook later?
I ain't cooking.
What?
I'm not cooking.
What do you mean you're not cooking?
Vacation. I'm going leave. There's nothing, such thing as cooking. Okay? Nothing. I don't know why you think that when somebody's on vacation they should cook. There's nothing like that.
A vacation there, yeah. I go up and get some sleep.
I leave Jamaica
wake up.
to come back to come and
If
vacation.
I wake up and not see no food, I gotta chop up every that pot in the house.
Again, I leave Jamaica to come back on vacation.
I say I like come to supermarket with you, man. I like come to supermarket with them. They can have a look at everything and touch everything before they decide what they want.
The Kingston that we got eat this morning,
No, they
You know what? Me I tell you now, my fans, my people, I tell you something. When you come to Jamaica, you know miss Jamaica, you know why? Everything there, look. But one more thing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can tell about the supermarket, something then. Oh, you know, nothing for Jamaica.
Where you there? Which part you there? Where? Which part you there? Where you there?
We there one place named Meadowbrook. And if you don't have money, don't come in.
What is the supermarket name? Eh? What is the supermarket name?
Supermarket I'm at super value, fresh food. That's your name?
Farmer Street.
Kingston Spring Road.
Oh, you
Right
get to
there,
go
so.
right.
And then right over there, so you have to go up here, pay a big house, because I don't want to live, but I don't have it. I live in America, I'm broke. I pay broke people live abroad, so what time do? If you live in New York, you're broke. Right in, look here. Look here, watch here. The flag, you know, but nothing there, so for Jamaica. Watch here. You don't see no jobs, cannoli. Watch here.
You know, you see some caramel pudding or some
No cornmeal pudding.
or some potato pudding or something, right? And some blue drawers. Well, everybody call it blue drawers anyway. Some people call it something else. Tire leaf, yeah. True, yeah. Alright. You prove me wrong. You prove me wrong. Yeah, call me pudding.
Yeah, I know this is name rock here.
Yeah, take a long time to see them something else. Long time to see them thing there. But they're full of processed foreign food though, man.
Yes, good no. Love it, but
Can't name them something else.
all of the good, the healthy food, you know, here. If I'm not diet, yeah, the good food, yes.
Oh man, some good food, you know.
Good food, them, yeah. And this is for the lazy people, them. This is for the lazy people, them who don't want to go and go cook. They just have it pre-make ready. Watch out, look at local curry goat, so here what?
Yes.
So
Yeah,
we
what
got
can I
local
think this?
curry goat, yeah, the fried
Curry
chicken
goat.
and everything. So whatever you come, you have to get.
Fried chicken.
And this is my favorite.
Yeah.
Christmas
love it.
time, we eat
Yeah.
it so much, it
Yeah,
can go
Christmas
20.
time.
We eat it so much, it can like 100 pounds.
Yeah, man, bad man. It almost tastes like a Jamaican rum cake.
Get some local eggs.
Yeah, man, that's like one
Huh?
thing. Right? Take all of that.
Where's Lado?
There you go. It'll disappear. Not care what you want to say, no, my girl. Whatever tastes good, that's what I love to cook with.
Billy, I look at cat soup. Billy, you know that, we are Billy, no, it's cat soup. So the has season na yan. So the hanip na yan. Isa na mo.
Go down the other side. Yeah, for season like this.
Okay. What trying to say about Jamaican product?
Okay, you don't know why Jamaican product nowadays, because everybody have put Jamaican on it because they want it to sell.
Actually, it is.
Hmm?
It is.
Jamaican Nepal.
It's actually
The
is.
one I look at this brand and the
Pepper
baggy.
The Maggie, no MSG. The Maggie and a Jamaican.
I don't know. Well, that's not fair about it.
The Maggie are different.
Yeah, it's different. From, one way.
One you say I'm stuck.
What's that?
That's what you want.
It's actually real cornmeal. It is not
Real
bio.
cornmeal.
Yeah, it's not bio.
That now coming like the one we cook the other day where the water go one side and the cornmeal go the other side.
Ingredients cornmeal.
Yeah.
Actually, they say one ingredient, one side of cornmeal.
And then the bio-engineer like,
Even the cornmeal, it's in New York. The Grace cornmeal does not look like this. The packaging does not look like this. It said ingredients in. This is not even good.
yeah, but it's just cornmeal alone is good.
The cornmeal are real cornmeal.
Yeah, but if anything else in it, then I good.
The product of Barbados.
Yeah.
This one is a product.
Jamaican and Bajan now war no. A Barbados? No.
Bahamas.
A Bahamas. Jamaican and Bahamas are war, you know.
They can't test with gun.
Yo,
With
I want a
gun.
fat girl say it now. One brother just come with a video and all he do is take up one barrel, open the door and show out the barrel out the door. You know what that means? Don't do the fat girl. Yo, that was funny. No, but people never get the joke, but from the seat, you know exactly. You know, so I done it
You
with them.
have cassava flour. But still, if I'm in a good mood, I could have baked one all-in-one, you know. We don't
Yo.
care, peace come here in a slide and I left in a fridge.
Travel all night last night and want to either get some rest or
You're going to
something.
leave me because we're not in a craggy car, a dig out craggy car. Nobody ended that sit until we sit down and wait.
5 minutes ago, I go there and diagnose the problem and tell him what it is.
It's 1.5 hour dig out craggy car, like you love dig out man car.
Yo, watch your mouth, you know. Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth, blue crab. Bottom feeder.
You and Craig always there. Not a day that you and Craig don't fix car. No day. The day of New Year, you on the phone with them and fix car. You in at the plane, you fix car. You come off of the plane, you fix car. When you and Craig, what you do?
Yeah, we fix car. We fix car.
You know, but did you really like that fact, you know, I'm not saying anymore Brunswick sardines for some reason.
Yeah, people then say Brunswick sardine only 2 sardines, but the other sardine have 4 or 5 in it. So then tap by.
Same way you go.
A sardine person, you know, rich in protein. Instead of, you know, the sky don't want to let you should come there. You know, little shit
So what kind of ice you buy? I know vegetable oil, man. What happened to that girl there, man? Coconut oil if you use, man. It's about, yeah, what vegetable oil?
I trying to take up an idea.
No, put it back. I vegetable oil, stick up and put it back. Where the Eve coconut oil, man. That's it.
Coconut island.
Yeah, but I the Eve one right up for.
Eve one,
Oh.
Eve. And the grace there.
Yeah, grace there, so it's alright. Scrub one of them.
That's simple, natural.
Them are no good. You know, sleep up, so no go great
Oh man,
coconut.
see simple natural, I'm talking coconut oil is. That's natural coconut, real coconut oil.
Yeah, you the one in there. So I don't trust this one there.
Oh man,
Because you're not too cool, you're not too cool for you stay, so this is a real coconut oil.
that's a real coconut oil.
Yeah.
Coconut itself.
Yeah,
But all this are sleep.
exactly.
That can't be coconut
Not in
oil.
one of them sleep.
Can't be coconut oil.
Nah, sir. Just brand if you sell it, that's all. You don't know. That's what I'm telling you, man. It disappear. Pop up back soon. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh.
What a feeder. How should I them what do you think costs more money?
This.
Actually this.
The anchor butter cost more? That is it's a Irish butter, right?
Yeah, this is the good butter. But this costs more.
Yeah, I know
I
this
think
is
I don't want
Irish.
trick question because it's almost look smaller.
No, this is
brand.
it's a brand, but
Yeah,
it
we
is
get the
known to
substance.
be it's known to be a good
A long
butter.
time I eat the same anchor butter.
Yeah, anchor butter, good butter, but
Oh,
an
yeah,
unsalted
try.
one this.
No, I want the salt one. An unsalted thing. Oh, I know.
So you see when you're rich like me and I want to spend the money, what you do? Look at this. So you have how you do the crab. So you have 3 stone crab, 4 of them, and this is how we present $10,700. You know, so that's why anytime you want something nice, it look less. So you buy, what you say, less and more. Yeah? Yeah?
I don't
Yeah?
care what they want.
Yeah.
So my
Yeah.
$10,000
Yeah.
stay in my
Right,
pocket.
right.
You know,
Yeah.
buy that.
Gotcha, gotcha.
And how much you buy crab soup for again?
Right? Right?
The
Look
price
at
already.
10 grand.
10,000 money there for one. One of that? One. One of that, so.
What that there?
No,
You catch two of them butter so we lost that's why
So
we
you know
don't
the
pick
same
up
crab,
the
them have
slaughter.
No. The one a different one. I don't want to catch it and pop off the thing
Yeah.
and let him go
And let
and
him go, but-
grow back.
But me not well this is like sugar in it or gold time. Yeah, me go buy 2 crab down and serve you
I
and
want to
serve
go
you.
there and show you some things I don't need something, don't know
Yeah.
like and all.
And this is expensive. And they are making that too.
Me not real steak man, I want them color them.
Yeah. No, nobody this Jamaica again. You know. Everything there. Everything there.
This is must be the foreign beef. You cannot the foreign beef.
I pay a foreign meat, you know, man.
The one then local man in there so.
Oh, you want one? Oh, no, clever. It's up, man.
Slado. Slado. You don't want Slado. Slado. You don't want whole man, Miller? Yo, who wants? No fish that man. What you say?
Where you see MA any night? Eh? Unless I mess up the English language. Where you see MA any night? MOND. But on man. But all man milk.
Man milk that brother.
That's nice, man. No, not that about.
What you told them what you did to the ambience?
Sure. They still can't believe the price.
They are lost. They are lost for work. Cheesy bread, you want it?
No. Never seen that before. £2 for 10 grand. Yeah, man. 5 grand a pound.
I mean, how much one is like 2 bills.
So we have a mini bull of them here. You know, no peer in here, man.
Yeah, peer, you know. If you want to bring the peer,
This lad I try to make a peer a while ago. I try to peer up with that woman a while ago. What that? Get up, bro. A whole week.
Get up. Yeah, but go try this up. You want this up for breakfast?
Thing, you know.
I get up, yo. You have to respect the get there and I want to. Yo, that thing, they're not here. No one they're full of beer. So we see a beer on a beer still.
Oh yeah, pan egg get yours and stuff. You work like them.
Oh, you want the regular beer?
Very good, man.
You want this one?
I saw the brother buy. But you get one of them, man.
The coconut cola there?
They're grenade more than anything else. The mango, yeah. Yeah. What?
Can I get a prosecco?
That's the one we are looking for?
Yeah, can I get a prosecco? Watch it turn off. Look it turn off, really.
Catch all the food.
No, Charlie foot.
Catch all the food.
Catch it foot alive. Alive. Like, share and subscribe so we can put out more video that you can see how to beg or prosecco. Because here one. Me want if you drink and me want all that really whole tree, you know. Yeah, money. You didn't catch a one? Remember you saw one video there, yeah, I tell you. Remember, what time do you see girl there?
No, the boat tilt. No, just tilt sideways. Yeah. So she put that on her face, you see, man.
Oh, so they have it. Okay, so they have different prosecco.
Yeah, man, different brand.
Different
For
brands.
flavor.
The one here like 4,000 and change. So, so all depends on the prosecco.
The one that's what.
The one here is
the one
more.
That's good. The Martini.
Martini, okay.
Yeah, we never have it to go, but it was good.
Like all the seat, all depends on the brand. So you go down lower, you go down cheaper. So you don't put the cheap one them up at the top, and but here again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Lado, what we are gonna do? Like,
Share.
no rati the man stubborn.
Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe.
Put a little pep in it, no shake it no. Man, you thief man.
A long time I see the same. Obviously, long time I see them. Yeah? The entire and everything. The entire. A long time I see them have Bristol
What is
cream.
that?
Have Bristol cream.
What is that?
Different.
I never had it before. What is that? What is?
You're not gonna know.
So, what I'm gonna try? Hennessy and white rum. Somebody do it. I mean, I said them people are sick, but here was that. You want to try it, right?
Yeah, you want to Valley and tune. Hennessy and white rum.
Hennessy, I try Hennessy. You ever try? It's tough. Me
You good? I never try it.
No one try it. This one white man tried that he said good, but no one tried
Double
it.
one me that.
Anything is so strong already.
This is wrong already. No, white rum strong.
Oh, the perfect lion.
We have a backlight, you know. We have a backlight. We have a backlight.
Yeah, this yeah.
Chris came from Guyana for me.
That.
The big one.
I see him size like that.
And they have an age one too. Yeah.
I several different room. Yeah, Trinidad in the room, Guyanese room, Grenada in the room.
At 12 years old, 9, almost 10,000. At 21 years old.
21.
Whoa.
At 21, how much is it?
21,000 to 21 years.
Blood fire.
Yeah, man, expensive man. Yeah,
Go
cheap.
look now, no? I guess the man said that here.
Oh, I Snoop that.
A Snoopy.
I Snoop, yes.
Snoopy.
19 crimes. Eh?
You guys know this mango?
You put on.
They are Grenada a lot.
Yeah.
You make a product and put on with 21 years before you sell it.
Yeah, so your age liquor on.
And that's what I'm
So
going to
90% of the time, 90% of the time I lie, them I tell you.
I really want to tour.
I will go after them if you come rum up there. Why you
So guess what? You know, but I go bush go chop cane. Just come right into the supermarket and buy your cane. Come on.
Me nah buy, me can't chop my own cane and peel it.
And it's well.
Alright, clean up and
Nah,
vacuum.
You go bush go chop. You don't come back in.
Yeah.
But the other day, I see one woman at post how they have sliced sweet pepper.
I like my house.
Sliced sweet pepper, the woman begs,
Curry.
the woman says.
Slado. Lime the house.
Lime?
Yeah.
No, lime time. Oh, so they get
Lemon.
A lemon?
Lemon.
Lemon.
Yeah, lime. Oh, it's lime, yes. The lime, yes. Line and tiny. $450 bag. No lime no up there, right? What? I suppose it a lemon that man. It's lime, yeah. This is a lime, that a lemon.
This is not lemon.
No lemon smell.
Yeah, no lemon smell.
You have lime pan this there? Lime. Lemon.
A lime, man. Let me tell you, a lime.
I say so orange.
Hold on. A lime that?
Yeah?
That's supposed to be a lemon.
A lemon that.
You never seen one lime so big.
A fine lime is we don't know lime trees that so.
It look like real Jamaican lime.
This is the lime. If this come like a so orange. Orange way young.
That was squeezy, man.
The squeeze in a rhyme. Smell like a rhyme.
No smell.
No rhyme.
No smell at all.
Squeeze on your hand and you smell it. Squeeze your hand, smell it.
Yeah. Orange up on your orange.
Market if you buy them something.
I know, that's what I'm looking
Yeah, fluxy blood, please.
Government so upstairs. It's cheap though. That's
Yeah,
cheap.
pretty much.
3,300, that's cheap. Like a $12 pound we buy
I
for.
go $20.
How much pound is?
A 1 pound.
No, sir.
No, a kilogram, yeah, 1.135.
How much pound is slather?
That? How much kilo are you
1.135 kilogram.
2.5 something pounds.
If it's never, no one try, no cookie.
Alright.
2 pounds of this.
That way I cook slather. Are you cooking over? I'm sorry for the people that were born cold.
Up here foreign things there.
I'm sorry for the people that were born cold at Jamaica because guess what?
I'll get them out.
They all get born out because look here, they import coal now.
Coal in a bag. And heavy, you know?
And a real cool.
A stone.
That's cool, man, but that dig this underground. Americans,
And I ground. And you got light.
yeah, man. But they pre-treat it with some flammable liquid.
They burn longer.
No, just for catch. Kind of good for
It was going.
no, as soon as you light, you put on your whatever on it. You have to make it burn for a little while.
Wait, what on this? Slide on. So what you say? Wait, them want to say, you say you eat the food. And you more change, too much time, you more change.
5 times.
You sure slide on? So.
Yeah, one time he said, yo, my mouth sour. And then he said, oh, sweet. Oh, it feels salty. It ain't bitter.
Only for taste.
Yeah, man.
You know what? I would make the right one now. You don't normal.
But when you tell them they have to put it, right? Tell them they have
Yeah,
to
tell
put
them
it.
to make it right first.
Tell them to make it right.
Buy last time. I can't find that.
What? The tambourine?
Don't buy brand.
Shame you stick.
Yo, Maurice, and then Maurice used to ask them to them, like, and then they're the good one, you should pay for it. But you know what, no price cheap.
I blade have to buy the blade.
But I do try.
You know what, the price you want. The blade alone, who don't bother buy me, that just wear me blade from my face.
Fuck up the eyes.
Nobody make ask prices.
Alright, so when I watch the price, so when I price watch at this.
Yeah?
Price watch at this.
You think me I gonna pay anything they want me to pay? And then get rich and me get poor? Hell no.
A best price, Dad. I look the best price.
You say morning?
You want back?
Then you know if you get back we put in there, how you carry them out?
Watch it, a small bag, man. Watch your argument, man. Small bag, we agree with it.
See me?
No, you can't say that. You come here and come in on auntie, you agree with me. You know auntie? You know where you have a bingo bag, you have. Our big jar, you have one, I go use it.
Alright. No bag. You really not take the bag?
No?
Except the one.
Alright.
You can't have one bag. Me have one covered full of bag. I want that to me.
Next time you come in, walk the back, so you don't have to move.
I don't have time to look the bag.
You mean, watch your bill because me can't watch plates.
Yeah, you sweep floor and mop floor in there.
Are you happy enough, you know? That's it to me, man.
Oh yeah, I want to come in the supermarket and pick up and like kind of things like me to pay for them. Oh no bright and out that.
Lady want to money, hurry up before China man start speaking and take too long.
Yeah.
China man, she say take too long. The man want ID.
Yeah.
ID.
And Billy, if you listen. When the old man tells you I got the wrong place if you listen. Okay, chok man. Eh? Yeah, man, you have to bring the egg in the front. Have the egg in the back. I'm early, I'm there at the supermarket, somebody talk about them now cook. But all we can say, a few hours later.
You know who you are.
Watch it. I cook people are cook, yo. I tell people say, yo, I chop over the pot. Watch it. I cook oxtail. Oxtail, don't I cook? Who I cook? Eh? That's not cook. I told her cook. Alright?
No cook. Me, I don't cook.
So what you do with that now? Yeah?
You have to help out fella.
So I have that.
Yeah. It's like I'm sorry for him coming outside hot. And guess what? I'll help the man. Me not cook. Right then though. Right fella? We in a fella kitchen.
I'll smile.
Right then though.
I want to look at YouTube. What I say for one YouTube channel? YouTube. YouTube.
No, not cook. Not cook. No cooking around here.
Virgin, how you water so late? How you water so lazy?
You see water gone.
Eh?
Some water, I don't know.
Yeah.
What do you call a thing after it, you know, return for it, well,
Yeah.
after it done, you know what, I come back to like it. Whenever I'm sticking on that, you know, the bad now, we wind up around. I just maybe not line up there, you know, get that much water.
Alright, so them there I put some rice and peas, oxtail, put some sauerkraut juice.
One more thing, go.
There with the thing right nice there.
And you know, and you tell me tuna from my yard, you have to drink it. Good for the mind, body and soul. You understand me? So we have to make a big jug of it. At the outside, you know say, me a girl, me love my skin pretty. And I like my skin stay pretty. Because in order to get good skin like me, I have to drink up the tuna water. Just, you know what, just throw some coconut.
Coconut
water in it and drink it. Tastes good, kind of slimy. But it's good for the body. Very refreshing. Very healthy. So. And in some country, people, some culture, they actually eat it. As a matter of fact, the Rastaman
eat it.
You can stew it, you can fry it, you can do a whole heap of things with it.
Yeah, never
it's
eat it
super
still,
fruit.
but
I never eat it yet, but it's a super fruit. You know? And then again,
so
one more thing.
What nutritional value have?
Huh?
What kind of nutritional
To be
value
honest,
have?
I don't know, but I know them say good for you. And I love to drink it. 1 yard. Here we live a yard and we live abroad. But here right now we live a yard, we don't live abroad. We come home and here we say, yes, so we love her, yes, so a yard. When we say barnyardy, that mean barnyardy. Straight yardy, you can't change that from me. 1 yard, right, Flano? Barnyardy. Yeah. Our big friend Flano this year, chef you up.
What you do now? A sweet, that thing juice.
Extract the juice from the water.
Buy the whole lime, you know. Oh, you're not buying no honey. Shit. You're not buying no honey, this is regular honey and lime, you know. Rastaman, we.
Man, go get honey up a hill. Let's go over hill. MC over hill there. Hey, some honey over the hill there. Right over the hill. Over the hill. Right, that's all.
Over here.
Right over the hill, we are getting some honey. Over there. We're outside. We're not outside. We're in the kitchen.
Inside.
We're
A
inside.
long time I cook, you know, because I don't fry all the oxtail and everything. I stew, they must stew it down now. But yo, when the murder the kitchen though, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna clean this up before I go sleep, you know.
You know what happened though? I was told that the old babush there.
Man, in the herbs, man, what you talking about, man?
Everybody, man.
Man,
You
my
want
herbs,
to
man.
bush, man?
I mean, bush. I drink this all the while, you know, I'm telling you. Thing is good for your body. A man of my age.
Anyway,
Look
go.
at me. My age.
Look on my
60.
head. Look
Look
on
here.
One old man.
Look here.
One old man.
Them things you hold me them way.
One old man. Yo, OG them here, you know.
Oh, jeez.
Yo, man.
But you OG them, man.
Okay, yeah, because you know more wisdom than me at all. OG,
And
I
wisdom, we
no
say them, man,
wisdom.
OG, them old people, you see, man, they don't act like they age, you know, old people, them. You know, go like us already, brother. We don't go like us old, man. They are cheer them, the tree musketeers them. Musketeers them. They don't get one like say.
Me, Slada and Craigie.
Yeah, you said about Craigie, old man. Go park on yourself, man.
Park
Like
where? Park where?
You know, on Leland Chuck. Mash up crackers.
Leland Chuck, you ever see them?
Go park on
Oi. You ever see them tackle some fat hill? I see you can tackle some fat.
Yeah, you hear me
Yeah,
say,
you
go park the old Leland Chuck.
No, man.
You know Lada? Remember when Lada did that drive? Yes,
No,
brother.
we're not doing the
And
ladder
the old
thing.
time,
We're doing the ladder thing. Strong Leland Chuck we deal with.
The old mash up crackers.
Mm.
What you call it, Janko, in a job board, the donkey can. Remember donkey can? You know donkey can?
Oh yeah, that tough sitting like a
Yes.
bulla.
Some
Yeah, so now
some
them-
hard wood.
What you talking now? What you talking now?
No.
What you talking now?
Hard
But
wood.
no. What you talking now? But I'm feeder.
No. Remember that wood, the way they so call it again, when they used to use it to make fence. Lag wood. So hard lag wood, man. You broke it 2 times and you can't. Oh, lag wood.
Yeah, no, where all them talk they come from in this one?
What we are going to talk? No lag wood, me I say tough like a lag wood. So that me say anything else? No, I want to the bottom feeder, yeah, man. No, brother. You know what's a Morty? From Wamister. See a Morty there. Morty. So my grandmother is always say, when you reach a certain age, but Morty say a lie, and forever since Morty say a lie, we don't have this thing where like we can't raise the dead. Dead is dead. Me never see nobody, not even the pastor can raise dead again. So me want to know. You understand me? We not dead. And no matter how much Guinness you no drink, no matter how much Daddy Rye and Roots and man all mix up cow pisagoon and bull pisagoon if you drink. I talk about you not raise dead. Raise dead male. Dead is dead. And there's nothing you can do with dead. But right there so. You know old fat sell but you know and raise dead and make and take people take no money.
Not for me money. You know you never see me buy them sitting there yet.
You never call name, you know?
Oh. No,
I'm
but I'm here. It's not the talk about.
I'm just elaborate. I did not call on you. I say uno man. Me never say Maurice. I
Me
never
and
say
Slada
Slada.
a man.
Well, man is man. Me never say uno.
Just some man. That's why you say some man. Not say uno man.
All
Me
young
and Slada a
boy,
man.
me see by Roots and sitting and coming and short the place and harder. That dirty wine, tan panny long. And it's a mental thing.
It's a mental. That me not gonna say. It's a mental thing.
10 pack of blue pill. I say, give me one of those. He say, you know use them? He say, yeah. I said, no, I said, I said, he said, never reach a stage already. He start using already blue pill.
So what they get them? The prescription them?
10 pack of blue pill in cafe.
Yeah man, the
Who
British
that?
them use them a lot man. The British
Who that?
man them.
Trevor.
Oh.
But the British them like the British them use them like I know. Somebody me know, huh?
I give you the way now.
Me tap because the British man I use them.
How you know that? No. Come back here. How you know all of that?
Listen to me. Only for British I use it.
How you know that?
I
I want to two British family. Me know you
never
have
call
some.
no family, no.
You got no family.
Me only say me know
British people.
people that use it. Me never call no name.
Oh.
I mean I pipe no finger.
At least
Mine, you know.
I'm sure I'm not British. I'm not British. So you can't be me because I'm not British.
But I didn't say you're British. Me only I see a whole heap of British I use me. I wonder for the cold. You know what's that the cold here? I think at the cold here I mess up them. You know, as I say, it's a mental thing. But anyway, me have the word for you now. Everybody I use it because they are the one with the bull piece where the Chinese man make with the bull. Yeah man.
So you have so much information about them things there.
Yeah man, because
Or are you so informed?
Yeah.
me informed because me love catch my ears. Me a catch you, me a lie. And me here when I read my thing, you know, me don't like woman company, you know. Me burn out woman company. So when you sit down around many mans, people that think say you're desire, listen to me, it's that everybody want hang around woman because woman a problem.
Many men.
Just to show you how me I come from airport. Me there airport. And the woman, basically the woman, because the thing say if he go in front of me, man alone go to here, she don't get a number. You understand me? So the woman just mad with me for no reason. No reason at all, you understand? The woman begs. That's why I like woman, me love, I bet you if me, alright. Perfect example. We go through immigration, you go to one man, me go to one woman. We have got the same address and the bitch still give me problem. Oh, can I have the address? But he went through without the address. So Mr. Maurice, where the address? I just give him the San Anton. But the bitch stand up there and wait for the address.
I tell the guy the hotel, the name of the hotel, and
that was it.
all the guy just go up on his system and him
But the
find
woman
it.
tell me and she could just simply put it in the system.
I just feel like over your mind.
Because that the one,
what
just
she
that
said,
they annoying.
what she has said is stupid because most people don't even know the address of the hotel. They know the name of the hotel and the town or city where the hotel is. And normally you book a hotel, somebody from the hotel come pick you up or something.
Because in the system, she could have just enter it and it just pop up.
Just a bitch.
Because in a COVID time, remember the system where we go on? It could, once you put in San Anton, it just pull up the exact location. When you used to put in that COVID thing if you come, you just put in the name of the hotel and
but
pinpoint the
it
location.
don't list the address.
No, upon COVID, something used to list the address.
List the address.
Yes, it could have pinpoint, even if in a St.
What's your
Elizabeth.
lime singing?
Do you not know honey?
Yeah, honey, you need honey with it.
And yeah, you like
You can't
man
mix
sugar.
honey,
You like man
and
sugar.
honey.
No, you like man sugar work, man.
Lime sugar.
Like man sugar work.
But I hear that thing that, I mean, I show just the point is, try to show you
Yeah,
how
big
woman.
and nice, you know, man.
How woman stay, how woman hate pan woman.
Yeah, I don't worry, don't worry.
I don't worry with her. I respect her because she's immigration and you have to respect, you know, show respect. But why you gonna put me through? Alright, first of all, I don't want country, I have no cell service. But you have to tell me.
And the real still, the most problem me have with immigration at Jamaica.
Jesus
I
Christ.
real talk, man.
You got
Jamaican immigration and custom me have the most problem with. Almost every other country, welcome. How long you staying? And for you tell them how long you stay, where you stay, that's it.
you have even the custom. What the other one name? Custom.
Custom and
I ask
immigration.
you how long you stay in the country.
What you have in your suitcase?
What you have in your suitcase?
What you have to carry so much?
Why you have to carry so much? What the hell? First of all, immigration already allow me in the country. They already give me the pass. All I want to do is to clear my baggage. You better you ask me what's the value of what in my bag.
But you allow $500.
Yeah, but you
value.
don't ask me why me have 3 luggage. Why me have.
Yeah.
First of all, I have an American.
But no. But the thing is, they don't want your suitcase to be more than £50, right? And by the time you pack 2 shoes and you know some things where you need. The suitcase was £70, you end up having to carry 2. And when you carry 2 and the country custom, them will give you a problem. Why you carry so much suitcase? But sometimes at shoe, me don't want them. They mess with me now. Me don't want them.
You know,
hold up my time. Me don't disrespect them, you know.
I want to disrespect.
Cause sometimes, trust me, sometimes I want to say, what that to you? What's your business doing?
But the bum can't afford the blood clot. Afford the guns and carry. I said I'm behind them enough. I kick him back to get here. Somebody do something. And drop him in there. You say, man, say, why you have to come? Why you taking so much to get here? Are you a bumper class? Yeah, but the bumper kick him back to them. Nobody's there by now.
You're 9, man.
Okay, sir.
You're 9.
I love you.
It's a 9. It's a 9. Because first and foremost, when we go back over right now, we could have 15 suitcases. Welcome home.
Yeah, read back on there. Welcome back, Mr. Hall. That's it.
And then the day, I have an American passport. How long never seen a Jamaica for? Dumb.
Yeah, one time I come down, you know. One time I come down and I have an American passport. The guy can ask me, how long I plan to stay in this country? I say, yeah, I'm born and grow. I mean, how long we say, he laugh. It's a serious Mr. How long you plan to stay? I say, 2 to 3 weeks. He say, alright, I'm going to give you 4 weeks in the country. I say, brother, I have something born and grow. You give me 4 weeks to stay in the country. He start laugh.
But even though,
but are you like that now? You can deal with because, you know, all that the girl there? Why you ask me that? You know, she don't get all them attitude there. Because she an idiot.
She never asked me
and one thing they don't know, although you're immigration or customer service, you have to present yourself.
No, if it was that, no. If it was people, white people.
Yeah. Other races.
Never. It's
and
prejudice.
That we not like with Jamaican people in a we have a little position. You see them one Jamaican, then treat them like crap, man. Other people come from other country, then bow down to them. And people they don't know, you know, then go in after them people country go live to right, then treat them like crap, shit. You know. You know, and
exposure.
Yo, some of them need to live out of Jamaica and go experience somewhere else, man. They don't know what we go through.
I understand why, as a custom officer, you ask me, why me have 2 suitcases? Why me have this? Why me have that? A bad mind, a disease, and Jamaica need to cut it out.
They need to, and Jamaica, them people, they need to cut it out.
I have traveled to other countries. Thank you for coming. Welcome. Then I ask you. If you have 40
some places where we go, if like the people, then glad for we come because you know what? Then know say we are bring money towards them country. Exactly. Then know say you bring money in them country. We Jamaican them then treat you like say boy we are come back on thief sitting.
They earn revenue, so them glad for that.
Well, you know what? Kingston Airport have a bad rep because when I spoke to my friend today, she said, "Oh, why you come to Kingston? You know, the Kingston is empty. It's empty for a reason. Man, it will be a pack for a reason."
Yeah, the reason why me use Kingston all the while, I carry the upper so.
Well, guess what? Find a way to get that way because I am going to stop coming through that airport, the ghetto airport. That's called ghetto airport.
No. We need to push back on them and make them change them ways. That's what we need to do.
Yeah, it close no matter. There's something wrong with it. But no, the thing is that they don't know how to deal, and it's just me, it's not just here. People are talking about it. This lady said the reason why they
all people are complaining about it, man.
It's because of their attitude.
Yeah.
They don't have nothing. If you don't want to buy your gun, okay then, I won't buy it. Go home, go dead if you're hungry. Go blame the Prime Minister for your problem.
And the media, them don't know, say, you know, the more money spending what I say, them facility or them establishment. At the moment, I easier for them keep them job, you know, because once the boss make money, you know, boss happy, and you will have a job. But you run away like boss customer them.
No, me go up in the line. Yeah, the woman, lady come out the line and go by there, so. I have never experienced.
Yo, when we done talk to her, man, in calm like a lamb, man.
I mean, we travel in group. But the last time I was here, we both went together.
That's what I said to her. I said,
you feel out the same.
one person want, if you are travel together, we come together.
She said, you together, come.
Yeah.
And she called the both of us. So I assumed that we both of us could go up together.
Because some, as long as they are traveling together, they want to check you in together.
And you're married? Like she upset. I think it's for the take her man. No, I'm thinking something wrong. I think she have mental problem and mental illness. If she did not to work in customers, she did go to one psychiatrist.
You think she did want your man?
I don't want to say I want, she wants, you know. You're married? Yeah, this is, if you don't live together, no. Little coat and land over there, so. Just like that. Mind you, if the person will step back, could you please step back for me? Let me deal with because you're not on the paper. Yeah. Simple argument closed. It's like somebody argue with you. But the only reason why I never fixed her that morning is because I never want to search me.
And if you search me, I have a problem because they will
be yeah.
They will be able to pass me.
They have to pass me that again. The next time, try me again. No,
that's why we try to calm to her and calm her down.
But I normally would answer her. Maybe like tell her, I say, maybe you need to tone it down. If something is wrong, you talk to me with respect. Matter of fact, let me speak to your supervisor because obviously, matter of fact, I want to talk to higher than your supervisor. Because you don't need to work in this part and you need to be in the penitentiary over the jail cell. Right from sitting there road you need to go.
Alright.
Yeah, I don't know you need to be there, you need to be there for the back burner. And fix, I tell her, remember we don't tell her to fix her frontal. And the one frontal we have never fixed good. And you go bleach him and you drop in face, you need to rub it harder.
Why in your frontal?
You we have with it sitting like a chandelier, yeah.
Okay,
yeah, the chandelier, then we have your so
yeah, man, I notice it too.
And you never fix good. I look like say now get no more money for fixing in chandelier. But me can't let no one for me if you want it, because I say it a pre-mine. I mean, now we are chandelier, see? No chandelier. Because the woman angry. I mean, telling say I have to work so late. You know what? I think because the flight delay and JetBlue make them have to work late.
Oh.
I don't mean to vex with a JetBlue.
That could have been.
No, but I think she was working 11 to 7.
No,
Well, 11 o'clock
flight now coming, other flight now coming.
Yeah, man. Remember,
That still work.
yeah, man. Remember the flight that we always take, come in before we? Because we because how we do that. We take an earlier flight, you know, so we reach early.
Yeah.
You see the late flight that we not take?
Yeah.
It could reach before we. Yeah, man. Because we take a flight where we reach 2 hours earlier.
Yeah.
And instead of we reach 2 hours earlier, we reach 4 hours later.
But you know what make no difference. Guys, the other day I watch one video and the customer is right and the customer was talking to the attendant about something that she did wrong. And remember, I think something was about gas. I don't know what it was. But the supervisor I the one come out aggressive. Like so they have a little ring of wall like them a teeth the people them or something and the supervisor involved in it. So because the supervisor you're supposed to de-escalate, not escalate the situation, right? And she come out want to fight, ready to fight again, like say like, but the thing says a woman versus woman thing. Like, woman, that's why I don't like woman. I don't hang around woman. I don't want them to be my friends. I don't like, in a woman company, give me 100 man to hang out with. You know what I'm going to do is ask to give them, you know what. And it's up to you to say yes or no, right? That's all.
Yo, man, I do a job the other day, you know, one of the courts in New York, you know. I mean, I redo them whole safety system. And this woman said, true, but fling around her power about, you know, you guys can't walk around. You guys can't walk around like this. I said, okay, fine. I don't put in my proposal and everything already, you know. I don't set my money already. You see, second day, when what's supposed to take me 2 hours to do, I take me 6 hours to do. I just call them and say, listen, this lady here don't want we walk around that place without an escort. And she claims that she don't have enough officers to make we walk around. Well, listen to this now. The proposal I give you, I have to put 110% on it. Everybody said, no, that can be happen, that can be possible. So then come and go investigate for themselves. And then take a stack. Oh, brother, you can't deep throat the spoon and put it back in the center, man. I'm here, man.
A deep throat?
Hey, man, a deep throat the spoon.
Yo, I want a bluefish that, man.
Bluefish thing, here's this water.
Yo, I want to where's that spoon, everything? Where's that spoon?
Broke off the iPad. You know, say, I come to them, I make a spoon, just poop and pop.
Yeah, man.
Right,
Yeah, man. That's good, man. That's good, man.
Yeah,
I know I'm going to do to the woman. I set her up, you know, I document everything, you know. You see, second week, yo, that's soft like a porridge, man. She thinks about me about every command, you know. She never knows I set her up because me know the longer she hold me in there, the more money me have to charge the city. And when the city realize that the money practically got quadruple, then come down one hour, you see. Set me set her up, man. And he just feels about everything alright, and yes, I have this little nigga by his balls. But you don't. You didn't. I only pretend.
Pretender. Yes, I'm afraid pretender.
Well,
Oh, yeah,
old
man,
fan.
girl. What happened now? What happened now?
No, man.
I
that's
practice
what
what
I
you do with, man.
Me not like woman.
Me say you're supposed to deal with the pot. I'll open my door.
Me not like woman.
Sarah?
Bugle, you know the representation is always important for the presentation. So we got Barney on TV, and that if you look for, and that if you make your eyes them hook for.